Well, we ran a poll between reviewing the Hohner, what do you call it? Harmonica. And you got the spice grinder. Got the garage sale. Unless it's actually a musical instrument. They're both musical instruments, funny enough. Anyway, the spice grinder crusher won. So, first glances, I didn't really want one. I kind of wanted like a marble one. And you know, now that I'm just playing with it, and it's all over my fingers, so I really don't think you should be using this to cook with. Maybe it is a musical instrument. Another day, another dollar, another